is Lahore hai.
Lahore hai.
Wow, great. जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं वेख्या
Jinelo no weka.
ਉਹ ਜੰਮਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ
O jamin
ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ
ini.
Oh wow. Hello ma'am, how much region you are representing this
Sorry.
countries?
Countries. Because I'm taking care of the Asian market, so I have present in Malaysia, Vietnam, Korea, South Korea, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, etc. Because all those countries they are looking for the energy.
How you feel in Pakistan? Did you like Pakistan?
If you know where I'm from, you know I love Pakistan because I'm from China. So there is a saying in China, Pakistan, China, always brothers.
Yes, so true.
Yes.
Indeed. I would like to know, did you like any food in Pakistan?
There are two kinds of food that I like most. So for one is definitely naan. I like the naan here.
Which now?
The naan is like
No, I am asking about the type.
I don't know the type actually, but I can
Okay.
I can describe it's like just like round bread. It's like that. And the other thing is the barbecue with the hot barbecue. That is what I like.
In that naan, is there anything inside?
No, really.
That
But I
means
can-
a simple naan.
It's a simple naan, so I can wrap where I like to inside, and or I can just eat it when I just with whichever way I like it.
If you have to describe your love for the brotherhood country, Pakistan, what you will say in 3 words?
First was is friendly. I love the people here, and the other one is let me see. The other one probably a little bit negative is about the traffic. Busy, always very busy. So I will put the second word busy, and the other word is let me think about it for a while.
Okay, no problem.
Friendly, busy, and delicious.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Punjabi. Can you speak in Punjabi or Urdu? If I will say few words, can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. So I can.
No. Say again. Yes, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now you have to say. Now you will say is Lahore hai.
Lahore hai.
Wow, great. One more. जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं वेख्या और जमिया ही नहीं.
Which is too long and difficult for me.
Okay.
Could you just
जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं वेख्या
Jinelo no weka
और जमिया ही नहीं.
or Jamin
ही नहीं.
ini.
Oh wow, you did it.
The only word I know from now is Gigi.
Gigi.
So yes, right.
Yeah,
The
okay.
only thing I know.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you.
See you again.
See you again.